Yeah, and we're back. Your buddy gotta just play out.
Yeah.
Let it play.
It's that shit right here. That's how I be when I'm in the club. I be like, give it a shot, nigga.
Got a young chick from the hood, south side. Pops never let her outside. Nigga knew the type of shit she was up against. Little did he know the shit was gonna backfire.
What?
She act quiet, got baptized, sang in the choir, but the thing she desired was a older nigga
Yo,
show
when I
her
go
how
in
to
the
be a
club,
freak. The young
I know
girls
everybody, I'm getting up on some
deep, she's
ass. That's
sneaking
how
out
shit.
off the leash.
You gotta get up on ass.
Just for one night.
One night.
Tap on the
One
back
night.
that she tried to hide until her father found a secret.
Let's not play. Let's get back to it, man. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to it.
All right, welcome back. PHL Radio. This is the Terrence Henry Show.
Yeah.
You know, and we're gonna get into the next subject of the night. I mean, this song inspires one thing: bulls tricking in the club when these girls. You know, how you feel about these bulls tricking in the club, Terrence?
If they got it, then good. If you don't got it, don't impress.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
So, yeah, you know, I like that. I mean, what you think about the bulls who be in the club
You don't have a dime?
and taking pictures
Okay.
on Instagram?
Listen, I'm gonna tell you a story what happened. Okay, I was in a strip club one time, right? Okay, me and my friends, I mean, I had a good paycheck when I was working, okay? So I went out, got some money out the ATM machine, one of my friend's birthday, so I wanted him to have a good time. So I went out, we started just doing this. I never made it rain in the club, you know what I'm saying? So
How did it feel? Wait, how did it feel?
it felt good as shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I felt like a man, like some power. So I'm all doing this, like, You know what I mean? One of my friends, he was so cheap, he put a Corona on the girl. He like, ugh. She's like, like that, right? So hold up. So we in there, I see these two dudes that were quiet in the corner. These motherfuckers was so mad and shit. They couldn't do the same thing that we were doing. You know what he said? He was like, she not even the baddest bitch in here. I'm just like, nigga, go get your dollars up, come back. Alright, and you can do the same thing.
So wait, you were tricking in the club.
I was tricking the club one time. Now, for niggas that don't got money, I'm gonna tell you a tip. If you don't have money,
How should they be if you don't have money in the club?
If you got $60 when you go in there, because I know some of y'all niggas don't have no money going to a strip club. I was one of them niggas, okay? This is what you do. For niggas that don't got money, you borrow your budget.
First what?
Okay, you know it costs 20 to get in some of these strip clubs, okay? Alright? So you get 20, boom. You in, right? As soon as you get there, you get 61s, right? What you do is, the girl come over, she say, you tipping? First girl that said, she say, is you tipping? Say, yeah, stay healthy. It's the first thing you say to that bitch, alright? So she can get the fuck going. You gotta win out your hours while you in there. Nigga, if you get in there at 11 o'clock, you better stretch out them motherfucking 60 bills strong. You know what I mean? You get a drink. Now the drink, like, you know, they got
Gotta get a beer.
Them beers be like weird prices. Like beers be like $8.75, like and 75 cents. So you still got a couple dollars left over, okay?
Don't get anything exotic.
Don't get nothing exotic. So you know that one girl you want to be with, you wait till she get her money up the whole night. You chill out. You give a girl $1 here. Here you go. Entertain the girls while you're there. Here you go. Boom. That's all you got. Walk away from her. Don't stay there because you're gonna keep clapping her ass, and then she gonna still want money. She's like, here you go, baby. Boom. By the time they get like 1:45 before the club closes, you go get a private dance for 20, and then you fucking leave. Now you may walk out with $15 fucking dollars. That's a good motherfucking night. High five, nigga. That's how you do that shit. High five, how you do that.
All right,
That's
so
if you ain't got no money.
So wait,